This week I am testing the Mazda CX-9 with my family, and these are the top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is you can fit 5 infra-secure child seats in the back of the Mazda CX-9, which is fantastic news for large families. To learn more about the infra-secure child seats we used in this video, just click on the links here. Number 2 is the third row access in the Mazda CX-9. It does it really well. Gives you this really big step through to the third row with a rear-facing child seat installed in the second row. Number 3 is there are built-in window blinds in the Mazda CX-9 to shield rear passengers from the sun while you're driving along. I've loved driving the Mazda CX-9 with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.